Found another good stick. Okay, drop it. Sit down. Can you sit? Hey, sit down. Sit down. You stay. Stay right there. Stay. Stay. On the count of 3, go get it. 1, 2, 3. Ah, good dog. Thank you. Ha, good girl. There, shark tug of war. Shark tug of war. Shark tug of war. Arr. Arr. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Sit down. Sit. Hey. Stay right there. Stay. Hey, I said stay. On the count of 5, you can get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, good girl. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Stay. You stay right there. Hey, you gotta stay. You gotta stay. On the count of 10, you can go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Back here! I told you on the count of 10. Sit down. On the count of 10, you can get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Good dog. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's my turn again? I get the stick again? Okay, here you go. Get in the water this time. You gonna get it? Oh, she might have lost it. Oh, there it is. Hey, good dog. Thank you. Hey, you get me a little wet. Alright, see you guys.